So if you have a vintage sewing machine that is stuck due to old oil or gumming because of old oil, heat is a great way to get it loosened up. Here we're using a embossing gun from the craft section. You'll find it where they have stamps, paper, crafts, that kind of thing. It's what you use with embossing powder. It is from my craft stash. Paul grabbed it, and now he has his own. Just warming that area up so that everything moves a little more freely and works better. This machine had been left out in a barn for about 30 years by the time we had gotten it. So it was in pretty bad shape, but it is up and running today. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you next time.